How to add a boarding pass to Apple Wallet. I'm going to show you how you can easily add a boarding pass to Apple Wallet. Start by locating your boarding pass, ticket, or any other pass you want to add to your Apple Wallet. This could be in an app, email, text message, or any other form of communication where you received it. Once you have found the pass, look for an option that says Add to Apple Wallet and tap on it. This option is usually located within the pass itself. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear. If necessary, tap on Add in the upper right corner to confirm adding the pass to your wallet. If you encounter any issues or are unable to add your pass to the Apple Wallet, it is a good idea to reach out to the issuer of the pass. They can confirm if the pass is compatible with the wallet app and assist if needed. It is important to note that adding a pass to the wallet app on your iPhone will also automatically add it to the wallet app on your paired Apple Watch if you have one. And that is it. You have successfully added your boarding pass, ticket, or other pass to your Apple Wallet for easy access whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.